What's features highlight? About Pelsee P12 1440P mirror dash cam, 12-inch backup camera, rear view mirror camera, dual dash cameras front and rear for car, night vision, voice control, parking assistance, reversing assistance. We will introduce the features and brief details. What's features including? To make a decision before buy order. Inch Full HD IPS Touch Scree P12 mirror dashcam adopts 12-inch FHD IPS Touch Screen, front 170 degrees and rear 150 degrees wide-angle lens dual car camera to provide an ultra-wide view. Reduce blind area and provide sufficient evidence for rear-end collisions. The dashcam front and rear provides a split-screen dual-cam display, allowing you to comfortably see all the necessary details. The car camera utilizes the Real 1440p plus HDR technology to provide you with a high-definition image whether in daylight or at night. With advanced image processing technology, the mirror dashcam automatically adjusts the brightness to an appropriate level that will effectively minimize glare distortion from vehicles behind you or the daylight cast. AI voice control feature allows you to manually save beautiful scenery by giving a voice command, ensuring safer driving. The included GPS module helps record the current driving direction, speed, track, location, and route information, and replay through a dedicated GPS player, providing more detailed and reliable evidence in case of accidents. With 150 degrees wide-angle lens and 1080p backup camera, you can see the entire rear view, helping you reverse the car into tight spots. Parking monitor enables the dash camera to start recording a locked video for about 20 seconds once the G sensor encounters a collision during parking. Loop recording allows overwriting the oldest files to ensure continuous recording when the memory card reaches full. G sensor detects a sudden collision and locks the collision footage. Time-lapse option compresses every 30 minutes of videos to 1 minute and saves. If you hesitate or have questions, we recommend that you click the link in the YouTube details to see all the detail before actually ordering. And of course, we are affiliated with Amazon.com. You can get early reviews of products with little or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter purchasing decisions. If you think our channel is useful for you, you can subscribe and press the bell and select all to receive instant notifications for all future uploads.